Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to clear or remove filters in Excel. Here I have data with 4 columns: ID, name, amount, and date. In the ID and name columns, you can see drop-down arrows. In the amount and date columns, you can see funnel icons, which means filters are currently applied. There are multiple ways to clear or remove filters. First method, remove all filters at once. Go to the Data tab. In the Sort and Filter section, click on Clear. This will remove all filters from the data at once. Let's undo this by pressing Ctrl-Z. Second method, remove filters individually. If you want to remove filters from specific columns only, click on the funnel icon in that column. Then click Clear Filter from Amount or Clear Filter from Date. This removes the filter from that column only. Third method, remove filters completely, including drop-downs. If you want to remove the filters along with the drop-down arrows, select all the header cells, go to the Data tab, and click on Filter. This will turn off filtering completely, and all drop-down buttons will disappear. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.